Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a great package here. 57 Chevy hot rod, body off the frame restored. Underneath is all done. It's got some dual quads under the hood. It's got a new 4-speed sticking up out of the floor. Power steering, manual disc brakes were just added. It's a nice car. It's a cool old hot rod 57 Chevy. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. You go to volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 57. Beautiful color, tropical turquoise. Polished wheels, it's got the stance, it's just got a lot of great stuff. This is just an all-around nice package. You don't have to spend $100,000 to buy it. You can have one really cool, really nice 57 Chevy. It was built in California. I don't know where it went after that, but it was built in California. That much I know, according to the VIN number. The floors are really clean. They took the body off the frame. The whole bottom of the car is all clean metal. The braces, the floors, everything looks really good, and it's all painted the same body color. It's that nice. So the whole chassis was restored. This was done about 10, 12 years ago. But the chassis is all black. You can tell the front end was all apart because the nuts and bolts aren't caked with grease and everything. So I can't say it's all brand new, but it was all apart and gone through. They did put disc brakes up front. That was recent. And then the brake lines are new. The emergency brake cable assembly is all there. The fuel system was replaced. The tank, the straps, the lines, the sending unit was all replaced. When you look up at the motor, it's super clean. You just see nice, clean Chevy orange from the bottom. It's a 265 motor, so it has the screw-in canister oil filter. The 4-speed was recently put in, and it all looks new. It's a Muncie 4-speed. The custom brace that holds it in, the rubber mount, the Hurst linkage, everything associated with the 4-speed transmission looks new. Floors are all painted turquoise. It has a nice custom exhaust system. It's a dual exhaust with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. It doesn't go all the way out the back. It has some turned down pipe somewhere in the middle of the car there. You'll hear that in a little bit. The body is really nice. It's straight. It shows well. You walk up to it, and anyone would be impressed. It's straight and shiny and looks great. There's no rust. There's no damage. There's no bubbles. No issues with the body. The paint is super glossy. There are some touch-ups and nicks. Down here, right on the edge, there's some nicks touched up. There is one piece right here where it's a little discolored. I don't know why, but a strip like that that's discolored. But it's all nice and glossy. And there's a scratch on this bottom front fender that's touched up. So again, those are things you'll know about. When you wipe the car down or wax it, you'll find them. Anyone walking up to the car will not see those. The trim on the car is exceptional. I would have to say it was all replaced. Starting up front here, all of it looks like it was replaced. The chrome on the hoods, the grill bar, the bumpers, the headlight bezels, the rockets, and even these tips are normally black rubber. These are done in chrome. So all of that looks new. The lens, the emblems, the lenses here, even the background grill is chrome, all replaced. Looks like it has some fancy modern headlights. So beautiful front end. We have the correct antenna, dual mirrors, door handle guards. All of that's been replaced. They put Bel Air trim on it. It's a 210, but it's got Bel Air trim, so all this has been replaced. The trim around the front and rear windows and up here is all straight and shiny. I'd imagine that's replaced too. The wheels are American Racing 15-inch aluminum wheels. They were recently put on. with spinners. They're wider in the back, got a taller, meatier tire in back. The car was restored about 12 years ago, but the guy I bought it from made all these upgrades. The dual quads, the power steering, converted it from the 3-speed to a 4-speed, the wheels. So even though it's a 10, 12-year-old restoration, a lot of it's recent. So everything back here all looks like it's redone. They wired in a brake light to the license plate frame here. For those of you who might not remember, that's where you put the gas on a 57 Chevy. Inside the trunk, completely solid. It's painted turquoise, but it's kind of a satin color. Underneath the trunk lid and the jamb are glossy. The rubber mat looks new at first glance, but I did notice it is cracked in a couple places, or a couple little tears, I should say. They relocated the battery back here. It's bolted down properly, has a disconnect switch, has a new rear seat divider, new weather strip. The interior's all been restored. It's real nice. Motor compartment is really sharp looking. Everything looks like it was done neatly. All nice, shiny hardware, wires run neatly. Everything looks professional. So it's a strong running 265 motor. Recently added an Edelbrock intake with 2 Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetors. All premium fuel lines, fittings. It has a regulator gauge. Has a flamethrower ignition system's all new. Has some really nice coated Hedman headers are new. It runs cool. The cooling system's all new. It has an aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator, aluminum overflow bottle. The fan and the shroud are also new. The hoses are new. Inside the car, the carpet's real nice. I don't know, there's a couple things right on the hump, the carpet there is some, like when you grab a thread and you pull it, that's what it looks like. But overall, the carpet's real nice. Has the reproduction turquoise floor mats, and that's a new Hurst shifter on the floor, and it's made for the bench seat. The seat feels nice and firm when you sit on it, like it's been rebuilt. And it has all the upholstery. The seats, indoor panels were all replaced with reproduction. It's all really nice. They replaced the headliner. It's cloth with matching visors, and the welting around the doors was replaced. All the metal trim inside was repainted. New trim, shiny trim across the dash. Has a nice set of gauges down below, and it has a vintage style tachometer on the dash itself. The windshield's new. The rest of the glass is nice. Getting back in here, it's got some really cool finned aluminum valve covers with matching breathers. All new power steering system was added. I mean, the steering box, the pump, all of that's new. Dual reservoir master, chrome alternator. It's got the horns. All the metal is really nice and clean. The hinges are nice. All painted nice. Everywhere you look, it's just very tidy and clean. The wiper motor comes with the car. Usually when you put dual quads on there, the wiper motor doesn't fit. It looks like it would fit. If not, they do have aftermarket ones that are much smaller. But right now, it's wiper and heater delete. It does not have either of those hooked up. You know, it's a fair weather car. Door jambs are painted nice. Weather strips real nice. Sill plates are real nice. Has a retro stereo, fits right in the dash. I open the glove box, there's an auxiliary plug, you plug your phone into it, and it has the molded kick panel speakers. Also has a 12-volt receptacle, so you need to charge your phone or use a navigation, you're all set. Oh, and the coolest part, I almost forgot, the chrome foot gas pedal. Just saying, the coolest part of the car. New tilt column, because there was a 3-speed on the column, so they put in a new column. It's chrome, it's got nice levers, nice steering wheel. That run nice. That thing sits and purrs, but you give it the gas, it growls. Beautiful car. It's got some old school hot rod stickers here. License plate light works, I noticed. Everything fits nice, shuts nice. The glass is all real nice. The button and the door jamb that turn on the interior lights are new. The headlight dimmer switch on the floor looks new. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car. If you have specific questions or concerns, there's plenty of ways on our website to contact the salesman. They'd be more than happy to help you. They can also make the delivery and financing and all the paperwork real simple too. Visit volocars.com to talk to a salesman. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.